Adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. This is a digital lesson. It's good practice for students who need the practice. And it starts out with just explaining what a fraction is. So using a model here, and then the parts of a fraction, the numerator and the denominator, and what that fraction means. Then students, starting on slide 4, are going to be moving these number chips. So to move them, they just click and hold on the edge, and then they can move it where they want. So they're going to show these fractions. So the denominator, the number on the bottom, is going to show the total number of pieces. So for the top model, it will be 4, total of 4. The bottom model, it would be 7. Now, the numerator would be the number of pieces that we're talking about, or the number shaded. So 3 out of 4, this would show 3/4. This one, 4 out of 7 are shaded, or 4/7. Same thing on the next slide. Total pieces go in the denominator. The number of pieces shaded go in the numerator. Now it's showing addition. So here we have 7 pieces total. 4/7 would be the yellow. 2/7 would be the green. So if we add them together, we're going to get 6/7 are shaded. So that means we're just going to add the numerators, keep the denominators the same because they don't change. Now students are going to be doing that with their numbered chips. So they're going to be adding their numerators. So here 5 plus 2, that would give them 7. Denominator stays the same. Now every slide has all of the numbered chips that they need. So if they get to the end and the numbers aren't working, that means they've made an error and they need to go back and check. So these are all pretty simple at the beginning here. They don't have to simplify yet. So slides 7 and 8, they're just going to be adding and subtracting. So these are subtracting. They're just going to subtract the numerators. Now when they get to slide 9, they're going to have to simplify. So here, if they add, they're going to get 6/8. And to get the final answer, they have to simplify. They have to find a number, a common factor that they can divide from both the numerator and the denominator. So here, if they divide numerator and denominator by 2, they're going to get a final answer of 3/4. So here they're going to get a little practice with simplifying. Same thing on slide 10. On slide 11, now they're going to use the line tool here, and they're going to connect their problem to their solution. So here they're just going to click on line. It's going to give them a plus sign. So they're going to click right where they want it to start. Now they click and hold on this little blue circle, and then they can move it wherever they like. So 1/4 plus 3/4 would be 4/4 or 1/2. And they can play around with this. They can change the color of the line. They can change the thickness of the line. So they can have some fun and make it their own. So they're going to connect all of these using the line tool. And so that is the lesson on adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators.